Hello everyone, it's David at Grow and Eat This. This video is going to be about eating this. This is the cauliflower that we picked today, and you know, when you've had your own fresh cauliflower, it's really special. So this is what we're going to do with it today. Now, you clean it up, cut all the little florets like this, then soak them in water for a half hour or so, just to make sure you don't have any little friends that come floating up that you really don't want to eat. Then you can do these in an oven or whatever way you want to. We like to do it outside because it's hot and this keeps the heat outside. We take a couple of aluminum pans, put a parchment paper in it, and put all the little florets in there, scatter them around. We want to salt and pepper them, as you can see. We're going to give them a good coating of olive oil, because you want to cook them, and to do that they've got to have some wetness to them, otherwise they'll just get dried out. So you want enough olive oil, you can see there's some down in there, enough that you can turn the cauliflower, flip it over, make sure that it all gets damp. You know, we're not doing a deep fry, we just want to keep it damp. We'll use it with a pair of tongs, holding it with one hand while you flip it with the other. But that makes me one hand short for the camera. Now, this particular meal is our absolute favorite. So what we're going to do is we're going to get this cooked up, start to brown up a little bit, and then we're going to add a good coating of balsamic vinegar that we'll show you, and Parmesan cheese. And we're going to let that cook down till hopefully the Parmesan cheese starts to get a little crusty and the balsamic thickens up and the cauliflower just becomes food from heaven. So we'll come back here in a few minutes and I'll show you how it does as we move on toward the balsamic vinegar and the end cooking time. Alright, they've been on about 8 minutes. I've added a little bit more olive oil, and as you can see, they're starting to brown up. So we're still a little ways from, probably another 5 minutes, and then we'll add the balsamic vinegar and the Parmesan cheese. But it's looking pretty good. You can see the cauliflower has shrunk down some. And the little bit of olive oil I added is keeping it wet, so it's softening up and browning up. So we'll give it a couple more minutes and I'll show you where we are then. Alright, it's been another 4 minutes, so we got about 16 minutes all total. And the temperature is running around 425, I guess. It's easier to do out on the grill. So I'll go get the stuff and we'll get ready for the balsamic vinegar part. Start with the balsamic vinegar. And on with the Parmesan cheese. And don't be stingy with the cheese. The little burnedy parts are the best. And we're going to let this cook down until the cheese gets all nice and brown. As you can see, this is starting to cook down. Oh, this is looking nice. This is starting to look really nice. Just about there. And let the balsamic cook down just a little bit more, and we'll head it in for dinner. Parmesan cheese is getting good. I tell you, one of the good things about being the guy cooking is you're gonna have to cool off a piece there to make sure it's okay. You know what I mean? Yes. Then we'll take it in. Now to find out how this little piece here tastes. Here's my little piece. Oh, you gotta try this. I'm telling you, between the fresh cauliflower, the balsamic vinegar, and the Parmesan, the blending, oh, you don't even need anything else, just a plate of this. This is David at Grow and Eat This, practicing to eat this part tonight. Thank you for watching.